5 big Social Security changes happening this month, January of 2024, which could affect your Social Security check happening moving forward for the month of 2024, actually for the year of 2024. I'll let you know what those big 5 changes are, how it affects your personal Social Security check. Also, clawbacks are still happening. $70,000 owed by one couple to the Social Security Administration. What is being done about that and what can be done? I'm going to give you all the details on that. So whether you're on SSI, SSDI, you're not going to want to miss this video. Watch the entire video and I'll give you all the details. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security videos. And this video is sponsored by my company, Cent. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score, I got my details down in the description below. All right, let's get into it. 5 big Social Security changes took effect in January of 2024. So Social Security changes made in January will impact benefit payments and payroll taxes throughout the year. The Social Security program undergoes certain changes each year to keep benefits aligned with inflation and wages. Another round of annual revisions took effect in January 2024. Most of those changes could impact benefit payments for retired workers and other current beneficiaries, but one change impacts Social Security payroll taxes for current workers, and another impacts the program's eligibility criteria. So let's get into this. Number 1, workers must earn a bit more money to qualify for Social Security. Workers' credits must earn 40 credits, also called quarters of coverage, to be fully insured under the Social Security program. Anyone who lacks 40 credits cannot receive retirement benefits, nor can their families receive spousal benefits or survivor's benefits. Workers can earn up to 4 credits per year by paying Social Security taxes, but the amount of income required to earn credit changes each year to keep pace with general wage levels. The earnings amount required to earn 1 credit is $1,730 in 2024, up from $1,640 in 2023. All right, number 2. Social Security benefits got a cost of living adjustment. Social Security payments get an annual cost of living adjustment to help retired workers and other recipients keep up with inflation. Without those yearly raises, benefits would quickly lose buying power as prices drifted upward across the economy. For instance, the basket of goods and services priced at $100 in January 2004 would cost about $166 today, according to the Labor Department. Social Security benefits got 3.2% COLA in 2024. The chart below will illustrate the COLA impact the average benefit for retired workers, spouses, survivors, and disabled workers. So if we look at this, I'm going to go over what the increase was for retired workers. $59 increase. This is average. It may not be for your personal situation, but this is just the average increased amount. Then we have spousal of retired workers, $28. Aged widowers, $55. And a disabled worker, $48. So the big one here, retired workers, going from 1847 to 1906 increase. That's a $59 increase there. Then number 3, some high-income workers will pay more taxes to Social Security. Social Security is mostly financed through payroll tax, but the amount of income subject to taxation is limited under current law. The taxable earnings limit, also called the taxable maximum, is adjusted annually to account for changes in general wage levels. The taxable maximum is $168,600 in 2024, up from $160,200 in 2023. That means some workers will pay Social Security taxes on additional $8,400 this year. The tax rate for most workers is 6.2%, meaning they could owe an additional $520, but self-employed workers are taxed at 12.4%, meaning they could owe an additional $1,441. All right, number 4, the maximum Social Security retired worker benefit got bigger. The Social Security benefits formula is modified annually to keep benefits aligned with general wage levels. For that reason, the maximum payout for newly awarded retired workers tends to increase each year. The maximum Social Security benefit at full retirement age is $3,822 per month in 2024, up from $3,627 per month in 2023. However, workers may choose to claim Social Security benefits before their FRA. The chart below shows the maximum retired benefit at different ages, claiming ages in 2024. So, age 22, I'm going to go over these numbers here. Age 62, $2,710. Age 65, $3,426. Age 66, $3,652, and then the FRA, $3,822, 67, $3,911, and 70, $4,873. And then number 5, early filers can earn more money before Social Security benefits are withheld. Workers who start Social Security before FRA continue working will have part of their benefit temporarily withheld if their income exceeds certain limits. Those limits are referred to as the Retirement Earnings Test, RET, exempt amounts, and they tend to increase each year based on changes in general wage levels. The updated RET exempt amounts for 2024 are detailed below. The first limit is $22,320. The lower figure applies to workers who will be under FRA for the entire year, such that $1 in Social Security benefits is withheld for every $2 in earnings that exceed $22,320. The second limit is $59,520. This higher figure applies to workers who will reach FRA during the year, such that $1 in Social Security benefits is withheld for every $3 in earnings that exceed $59,520. The earnings test no longer applies once a person reaches FRA, meaning retired workers can earn as much income as they want without any impact on their Social Security benefit. Additionally, any benefits withheld prior to FRA are gradually repaid once the retired worker reaches FRA, such that they can recoup most or all of withholdings over a typical lifespan. So those are the big changes that are happening now in January 2024. And will continue for the rest of the year. Now, moving on with some other Social Security news, Social Security Administration tells Jupiter couple they were overpaid, more than $70,000. So this is crazy because we're stuck. This person, Gloria Castro, says after learning she and Antonio wouldn't receive payments again until 2026. So they thought everything was good. They're getting their checks from Social Security, no notice of overpayment. Then all of a sudden, Social Security says, hey, you owe us $70,000, specifically $36,000 from one, and then $34,000 in another way. So basically $70,000, and they're not going to get any other Social Security payments until that is paid, and they are well into their retirement years. So this has got to stop. This problem from the SSA is not being solved. Basically, the way the Social Security Administration replied to this when asked for comment, saying, due to privacy laws, we cannot discuss individual cases. However, we will reach out to Mr. and Mrs. Castro and provide any necessary assistance. I highly doubt that they are reaching out and applying and giving any assistance, saying, calling them is like trying to reach God. Nobody answers, or you're on hold for 2 to 3 hours and then they hang up. I have faith that hopefully this will be resolved, but not sure when. So this is not their fault at all, but yet Social Security Administration is saying no more Social Security payments until that debt is paid. They obviously don't have that money, but what can be solved about this? Well, Congress has had hearings about this, has put out legislation about this, but yet no action has been taken. And I think there's around 2 million people who are having this type of issue with the SSA, with clawbacks, yet nothing is being solved. So I just wanted to bring more attention to this, let you know what's going on. Unfortunately, nothing is being done about it. Just a bunch of talk, no action. So I'll keep you updated on what happens with the clawbacks as well as other Social Security updates. If you appreciate how I gave you the facts, let you know what's going on, subscribe to the channel. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully cheer you up a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day. I want to tell you the one thing you should do for when you're feeling down and you want to follow your wishes. Then do whatever you want. It's a free country here. You can do whatever you want. So bye guys. Have a good night or a good day.
If you're curious what the future of Social Security looks like for you and what your future Social Security check could be, you're not going to want to miss this video right over here as presidential candidates say what their plan is for Social Security in the latest debate. So you're not going to want to miss that. Click that video now and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.